And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a good week.
Hello, McGaw community. As we move through the final stretch of the school year, I want to take a moment to recognize the incredible staff here at McGaw Elementary School. From early mornings to late afternoons, they've shown up with heart, energy, and dedication to make this year meaningful for every single student. Whether teaching, guiding, or supporting behind the scenes, their commitment has shaped a school year full of learning, growth, and care. On behalf of our entire school community, thank you, McGaw staff, for being the heroes of our hallways.
This is Sea Lion leader Jeremiah Villa with this week's announcements. Special thanks to all the students and family members that celebrated the staff at McGaw during Teacher Appreciation Week. Second grade is excited to present the Wax Museum. Thanks for working so hard on your presentation. Classes will be visiting all week long. Fourth grade McGaw strings rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m. Math lab is on Tuesday after school for first and second grade. Go to room 30 and your teacher will take you to your classroom. Fifth grade McGaw strings rehearsal is on Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. Head of the class is on Wednesday. Thanks to all the families that supported Project Seek with your generous donation. Have fun being teacher of the day. Math lab is on Thursday after school for first and second grade. Go to room 30 and your teacher will take you to your classroom. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Now it's time for Practicing Gratitude, where our students share who they appreciate most here at McGaw. From teachers to campus staff, hear who's making a difference in their day. Who's your favorite teacher?
This is
Miss Yusong?
Yeah.
Why?
because I like it.
Who do you appreciate and why?
This uncle because he pick up trash in campus.
Oh, thank you, Miss Ronku.
Thank you, Mr. Uncle. Dr. RS because he makes everyone feel comfortable and safe to be who they are.
Who do you appreciate?
Miss Alvarado,
Why?
because she works hard and goes to a meeting.
I appreciate Miss Pinkston. I appreciate her because throughout my whole third grade year, there was a lot I couldn't do and she was always there to help me. She always made jokes and she always made me laugh and she was really nice. I really liked her. She definitely made an impact on my life, which I'll always remember her for.
Who do you appreciate?
I appreciate my teacher, Dr. RS, because he's super kind and he puts his time into stuff that we like to do.
I appreciate Miss Pinkston as my teacher because she really connected with me and helped me learn a lot more.
Thanks. Who do you appreciate?
Mr. Larson because he helps the school. I appreciate Miss McClellan because when she was teaching us the subject we were learning, she made it fun for us while actually teaching us this subject too.
I appreciate Miss Heron because whenever I'm feeling down, she always helps me feel better.
Who do you appreciate?
Miss Brendel.
Why?
Because she's kind to us. Miss Bassett.
Why?
Because she lets us play lots of different musical instruments.
Who do you appreciate?
Miss Brendel.
Why?
Because she's awesome. Miss Anya, because I really like her technique of art. Mrs. Tamari, because she teaches us a lot of awesome science. I appreciate Miss Francisco because she's so funny.
Who do you appreciate?
My teacher, Miss Sagan.
Why?
Because she's just an amazing teacher and she does lots of fun stuff with us and she's just amazing.
We're going to keep practicing gratitude all the way until the last day of school. Thanks so much, Sea Lions.
I got a Robbuck. Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Our first Robbuck winner of the week goes to UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class. Congratulations to Micah Wagner. Micah helped teach a friend who was having trouble with understanding his math work. Thanks so much, Micah.
Kindergarten.
Our winner in kindergarten comes from Mrs. Sizemore's class. Congratulations to Julian Lean. Julian had a great week and was working hard all week long on making wise choices. Way to go, Julian.
First grade.
Mrs. Monroe wants to shout out first grader Olivia Rimo. She said that Olivia was being responsible and being a great worker, a good listener, and always staying on task. That's what you gotta do to be a super scholar.
Second grade.
Mrs. Torres wants to shout out second grader Emily Hamilton. She said that Emily found a hearing aid on the ground during recess, so she did the right thing and turned it into an adult. Way to go, Emily. You really made someone's day.
Third grade.
Let's all put our hands together for third grader Royland Burdick. You see, Royland did a great job participating in math today by sharing his ideas and encouraging others. Way to go, Royland.
Fourth grade.
Miss Miller wants to shout out fourth grader from Miss Uson's class, Ben Cameron. She said that during a non-preferred subject, Ben knocked his reading and writing out of the park. Thanks for working hard, Ben, on being a super scholar.
Fifth grade.
We have 2 Robbuck winners for 5th grade. The first is Mia Vasquez. Miss Anya says she did a great job in art lab.
5th grade.
Our second Robbuck winner for 5th grade goes to Delfino Luis from Miss Uson's class. Miss Martin said that Del does a fantastic job delivering mail in the morning. He helps teachers so much. We appreciate you, Del.
That's it. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.